Tower building.
Who did all that I used? You guys. Is all three files again?
It's the Unity build. We have the teacher help us. We have a video to show.
Okay, so
So-
I download all three files.
Or just show the video and we can talk about it. And then bring up one of our laptops there.
In general, just showing the video is the best and safest way to show your game.
Cool, we all set? Hey, we're the Bomb Squad. We'll be showing the game Bomblock. It's a tower reinforcement game, and this is half of our team here. So just a quick background on the journey. We created a workshop just to quickly kind of narrow down which game genre, and we wanted to go with puzzle was kind of the consensus, but we're kind of action puzzle-ish. The game got pretty violent quickly, so we started looking at different weapon types and bombs. You know, bombs are what it came down to. So the real, Bomberman, I think we were all kind of quite fans of Bomberman a long time ago. But it's, like Bomberman except the other way around, right? So instead of blowing up walls, you're building walls. And we thought of a quick kind of a way to build walls is to use the Tetris tile matching mechanic. And then, for the real vision, it was kind of, that you would have maybe multiple walls that you were reinforcing, or kind of like a structure where, you're trying to save these people in the middle and there's a zombie apocalypse attacking from the outside. And then you would kind of click on, maybe this wall where this bomb is going to go off, and then, you'd have a traditional Tetris interface over here. But to make things in scope, we just built, we just focused on one wall for the prototype. And so we'll just play this video. And so what's happening is, the bombs are dropping, you're trying to block the, make a wall between the bomb and this castle. Ideally, we would have liked to have targets in the background so that you're having something really dramatic to protect. But yeah, this was kind of what was in scope. So. And so right now, I think it's, it's not that compelling, but it's definitely a start, and we've got everything in place where we can finish this game fairly quickly. This is kind of a very good paradigm for mobile, something very simple interface. We can have touch screen. We're going to have some buttons on the UI for web and keyboard users, but the idea would be to have this. It's kind of task-based Tetris. Someone had the clever idea of having, instead of just a single kind of block type, we have three different strengths. So the wood block type, will just blow up after a single bomb, and then the stone will take 2 bombs to blow it up, and then the metal will take 3 bombs to blow it up. And so after time, you're kind of having this, conglomeration of different wall materials. And, but ideally this would be a game with 1,000 levels on mobile and hundreds of millions of users. So that's kind of, I think, all we wanted to present, right?
Yeah.
So we'll take questions. Is that a question?
Yeah. Did y'all make the music yourselves, or?
We had Jacob
Alright.
as part of our team, but he's on a lot of teams, so maybe. But I mean, Jacob, do you want to talk about the music real quick?
It's so you made a Tetris game, right? And
Yeah.
well, it was inspired by Tetris, and the theme of the whole game jam is the other way around. So I took the Tetris melody and I flipped it.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And so it's also Tetris the other way around because, Tetris, once you kind of get a line or fill a row, it, descends, it kills the row. And so we're building it up. We don't kill rows, right? We're Tetris the other way around. So we really, I think we did a pretty good job on the theme. I don't know if there's any points for that, but. Any other questions? Cool. Well, thanks a lot for your time, guys.